back. My skin is not doing okay. I wash my face, do some skincare. Got some pizzas. I'll give you a quick glimpse. First, barbecue chickalicious. Barbecue chickalicious. Barbecue spare rib mushroom. And some Coke. So I got changed my onesie, got some pizza slices, some tab, and I'm gonna watch something on my laptop, on my bed. As you can see, I added another blanket for the winter months. And today was so much fun. Oh my god, I didn't vlog it after school, but I'll tell you about it maybe in a later point in this vlog. This is really spontaneous. I was actually supposed to start filming 2 days ago, and my voice sounds weird because I'm sick. But back onto my main point, I'm gonna watch something while I eat. I'm gonna find the new episode of DNA Mate that I started at school and continue watching and eat, and then I'll be back to speak to you guys.
하면 길어지니까 그냥. 너도 이 이건 아니야. 아이고. 저 아프더라고요. 아이고 아파.
정신이 번쩍 드는데.
오전까지 감사하고 진짜 대부님 촬영 정말 열심히 하고 오셨네요.
보는 것보다.
아이고 아파.
Good morning. Sorry, it's like 10:30. I have 30 minutes to change, eat, wash my face, and then I gotta leave. I'm pretty sure I remember getting a decent amount of sleep. I'm just gonna eat pizza and change and wash my face, and then I'll be back.
And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights.
We're close, we're gonna have another year.
Living in your arms as days go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. If the sky is falling down on me.
Hello. Hey guys, it's Mbali and welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog, as you can probably tell by the title, is a 17th birthday vlog. I just hit my glasses, and it's currently like 20 past midnight, and I'm still doing schoolwork, but I really want to go to sleep now, and I'll continue with my work later on today, as well as my vlog, because earlier on just now I was preparing for my test today, my English essay writing test. But good night, good morning, and happy birthday to me. Also, my dad is here. As I mentioned before, he was in Durban, but now he's in Cape Town. I don't know what time we got in, but my mom went to fetch him from the airport around 9:30 in the evening. But that's all I have to say for now. Toodles.
You'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless. The linings on your cheeks, 'cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love.
I'm really excited to show you guys the one. I think it's so
How do you know?
Mbali's taking a picture of the cake.
No, when you're in there, she's taking a video.
She must be missing it. She's getting
It's mostly you there.